Hello everyone. In this lecture I will teach you about corn law. Corn law is also very important topic of this chapter. Students, understand this topic like a story. Due to high population and continued migration, the Britain had a problem of huge demand of grain. Why? Because the population of Britain has raised due to migration. Many rural centers converted into urban areas, means urbanization took place. I tell you that due to industrialization, urbanization also simultaneously goes with industrialization. So Britain, the population of Britain raised up. So there was huge demand of grain. But local producers requested government to restrict the import of grain from other countries. So how the government of Britain did this? Government of Britain implemented corn law. So by implementing corn law, there was restriction of grain from other countries. Means the local producer, the people of Britain depend only on local producer. The import of grain from other country had been banned. How? By implementing corn law. But to feed the high population, the local producers were not able to produce sufficient amount of grain. So what happened then? The prices of grain raised up. The prices of grain raised up because the demand was more and supply was less. So when the demand is more and supply is less, then you know that the prices went up. Because there was shortage of grain in Britain. Now urban dwellers, local producers as well as urban traders pressurize the government to abolish corn law, to scrap corn law. Why? By scrapping corn law, it was easy to import grain from other countries. So under the pressure, the government had abolished or scrapped corn law. Now the import of grain was easy in Britain. Now what happened? There was huge amount of grain in Britain. It means there was surplus amount of grain. Now the prices of grain again reduced because the demand was less and supply was more. The effect of corn law was beneficial for short period of time, but after a long period of time it shown its negative result because the grain was coming continuously from other countries and people of Britain were not purchasing the local grain. That's why the grain prices again reduced. So it shown its negative effect on agriculture because the farmer were not able to get rare prices of their crop. So many farmers left cultivation and migrated toward other countries for better job and employment. So this was the story of corn law. And now summarizing the points of corn law, due to high population and urban growth, there was huge demand of food grain in Britain. The government of Britain restricted the import of grain by implementing corn law. You should know that what is corn law. Corn law is it is the law which restricts the import of grain from other countries. But there was huge demand of grain in Britain. So local producers, urban dwellers and traders pressurized the government to scrap corn law. Local producers were not able to fulfill the demand of grain. Now under the pressure of local dwellers, urban traders, the government of Britain abolished corn law. Now the prices of grain reduced to half, which become the very costless for the farmers and which shown is negative result for cultivators. Because of there was import of grain was possible from other countries. Now it is beneficial for customer, but it was harmful for farmers and peasants because they were not able to get fair prices of their grains. So many cultivators left cultivation and migrated toward other countries for better job and employment. So this was about corn law. Thank you for being with me.